Take a look at Cipla. The earnings have been way below what the street was estimating. Look at the net profit levels, 267 crores versus an estimate of 340, a sharp decline that we are seeing versus the estimates at least. Look at the revenue front, 1966 crores. It's up almost 5.5% from last year levels, but we estimated about 2100 crores. So clearly below estimates on that front too. The EBITDA margins, 20.8% versus an estimate of about 23%. So disappointing on the operational front too. Now what has led to this kind of a disappointment for Cipla? Firstly, it is the revenues which have been impacted by the deferment of African tender sales, the high raw material costs, employee costs, those have been denting the margins this time around. If you look at the domestic revenue growth, that has been about 5%. We estimated close to 11%, so an underperformance on that front. The export formulation revenues also grew just about 11.5% versus an estimate of about 20%. The API revenues also falling 24%. However, the management guidance for FY14, they've said that they expect a double-digit growth in sales at least. They've also mentioned that margins are expected to stabilize around 22%. But actually look at what the brokerages are saying. Most of them have maintained their recommendation of a buy or a neutral rating, but most of them have cut their target prices. Look at a CLSA target price cut from 415 to 400 levels. They've also, CS also has cut the target price to 415 from 475. So a negative reaction from brokerages too for Cipla. So expect a negative reaction on that stock. If you look at an NMDC, very good numbers. If you look at the operational performance, the sales has seen a growth of almost 23%. The operating margins, if you adjust it, it has been almost 67%, which is a very good number. Look at the dividend that they've paid. They've announced a final dividend of 4 rupees, and that makes it an annual dividend of 7 rupees, a 6% yield coming in. Most brokerages positive. JP Morgan increasing the target price from the earlier 170 levels to 180 levels. Everybody's given a buy recommendation on NMDC.